What causes Salesforce CRM to be so slow? Imagine trying to close a deal and your CRM is moving at a snail's pace. It can be frustrating and even cost you sales. So, what makes Salesforce CRM slow sometimes? Let's break it down. One big reason is technical debt. This happens when your system gets bogged down with old or inefficient code, automations that don't work well, and too many customizations. Every new automation rule or custom field adds more weight. Over time, these small additions pile up and create slowdowns. If the database queries aren't optimized with proper indexes or filters, the system has to search through tons of data unnecessarily. It's like looking for a needle in a haystack. Another cause is too many plugins and custom fields. Salesforce is flexible, but adding lots of third-party apps or extra fields can slow things down. Each plugin uses resources and competes for processing power. When pages have many fields or complex dashboards, they take longer to load. This makes updating records or viewing reports frustratingly slow. Your network also plays a role. If your internet connection has low bandwidth or packet loss, data transfer slows down. When many people use the network for video calls, file sharing, or streaming, Salesforce gets squeezed for bandwidth. Mobile devices and streaming services also eat up network capacity, leaving less for your CRM. Ongoing system management matters too. If your organization doesn't regularly review and clean up Salesforce, it becomes cluttered. Duplicate fields, outdated automations, and configuration drift make the system more complex and slow. When departments make changes without coordination, conflicts happen, and automations may overlap or break. This leads to a sluggish system that frustrates everyone. Data volume is another factor. When your database has too many unnecessary records or duplicate entries, queries take longer. Without proper indexing and organization, the system struggles to process large datasets quickly. Plus, pages with too many fields or heavy components can slow down page loads. When you're trying to update a prospect or move a deal forward, waiting 4 pages to load costs time and breaks your flow. All these issues directly impact your sales work. When Salesforce is slow, you spend more time waiting and less time selling. Data entry becomes tedious, and you might resort to spreadsheets or other tools outside Salesforce. This breaks your workflow and makes it harder for managers to see accurate data. Slow systems also make users less likely to adopt the platform, which defeats the purpose of having a centralized system. Addressing these problems involves regular maintenance. Your team should audit custom fields, optimize database queries with indexes, and review automations for redundancies. Improving network setup and simplifying page layout speeds things up. Scheduling heavy reports during off-peak hours reduces system strain. As a sales professional, understanding what causes these slowdowns helps you communicate with your technical team and push for improvements. Making your Salesforce faster means smoother sales processes and more time closing deals.